Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make vegan lemon chicken with vegetables. Now this is your original vegan meal prep dish. So let's go ahead and get started. So when it comes to the ingredients, first thing we're going to use is some lemons. All right, we got our black pepper, our sea salt, spinach, frozen California blend vegetables, and then our vegan chicken by Gardein, lightly seasoned chicken scallopini. All right, it looks just like this. You can get at your local grocery store. This is what I'm using. All right, and then olive oil and a lemon squeezer and a steamer. Okay, so when doing this dish, the first thing you want to do is go ahead, grab our vegan chicken by Gardein, and then we're going to use the olive oil here. Spray the pan and go ahead and place it in like that. Alright, we're going to let that sit for a little bit, and then while that's cooking, this is a rice cooker, and I have this attachment to steam, so it's already on, and all I did was put some hot water in there, and if we look on top, it is a little hot. It's already boiling. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead, place our frozen vegetables right on top. This is about 2 cups of mixed vegetables. And then we're just going to cover. Let that sit there and steam for a couple of minutes. And then we're just going to stand by while these two cook. And that's it. Alright, so I let the vegan chicken cook a little bit just so it could thaw out. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and squeeze some of the lemon. Now what I did is I took a knife and put small little slits in there, and I didn't go all the way through, very lightly, because you don't want to scratch at the pan. But what I'm going to do now is go ahead and pour the lemon on top. Alright, and this is when I'm going to go ahead and turn down the temperature, because I kind of want all that lemon to get into the vegan chicken to give it that lemon taste. And at this time you want to, like I said, you want to turn down the heat because you don't want the lemon juice to evaporate really fast, okay? So we're just going to put that in there. And then this is when you want to go ahead and take a little bit of your pepper and lightly season it a little bit more. And the same thing with the salt. Don't pour everything all at once. Very lightly. Okay. Remember, we're going to go ahead and add our spinach and just put that in there, and then we're going to cover. This already looks done. It literally took just a couple minutes, like I want to say like 3 to 5 minutes. Me and I already had this on, so this is pretty much done. So let's go ahead and build our plate. So this is about 2 cups of California blend vegetables, which consists of cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. And this is a great source of vitamin C. And you're also getting a lot of calcium and iron as well. And the reason I'm steaming these vegetables is because when you steam vegetables, it won't take away a lot of the nutrients from it. Because when you cook anything with high heat, it does degrade the nutrients of those vegetables. So this is some of the benefits when you steam. So we got that ready to go, and we're going to go here. This should be ready to go as well. You kind of want to like really, before you just put the spinach, get the spinach and really rub it around, because that's going to add more flavor to that. Alright guys, so that is it. This is how you make a high protein vegan chicken with some vegetables on the side. And as you saw, we We have our broccoli, cauliflower, our carrots, our nice spinach, and our vegan chicken. So vegan lemon chicken. So let's go ahead, cut this, grab a little bit of that spinach. It's always good to add it all together. It's really good. You could really taste the lemon. Very lemony, if that's the word. But with that said, this is how you make high protein vegan lemon chicken with vegetables. My name's Chickn Sutton. If you really like this video, please comment, share with your friend. You could tag them down below as well. Like the video, I would truly appreciate that. And if you want to know more about how to make it when it comes to the recipes, also the macros, that'll be in the description down below. But with that said, my name is Chickn Sutton, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.